Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 8th of January and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency markets from TradeHub. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. Our main option suggests that we get downward price reversal while wave 1 has not been formed yet. Therefore, we do not make any deals for now. Only after the presence of waves 1 and 2 in downward direction we can start selling this pair. There is also an alternative according to which we need to get last upward impulse in the fifth wave. Let me remind you that the targets of this global correction are at level 1.16. As for the franc dollar, we get continuation of growth, while the fifth wave structure is not completed yet, so I expect waves 1 and 2 in upward direction to appear, after which I plan to gain purchases. As for the British pound, I expect acceleration in the third wave of this downward impulse. For the Canadian dollar, we have a zigzag, so I believe that the price will decline once again. I mentioned the possibility of such a decline a few videos ago. In any case, to enter a trade, we need to get waves 1 and 2 in upward direction. As for dollar Japanese yen, I am waiting for an impulse and a correction to enter a trade. We broke through the top of wave B with an impulse, which gives us another confirmation for a reversal. The Australian dollar seems to have completed wave 4 of this level, and the last impulsive upward movement awaits us within wave 5 of 5. Everything is going according to plan on WTI oil markets, so it looks like we have finished the impulse, but it is only wave 1 within wave 5 of this period. We need to closely monitor the structure of further decline, which will tell us further movement in oil. On S&P index, fifth wave stretching. Also do not forget about the option that the fifth wave ended here, within the leading diagonal, and we have formed wave 2 in form of an expanded flat, and now the growth will only accelerate. There are no points to entry for sales and purchases yet, so I'm out of the market. In the gold market, the correction has reached the first targets indicated in yesterday's release. It's a level of 1880, and we are now getting a slight rebound. The correction is developing very dynamically, which gives grounds to assume that in wave 2 we'll get a double zigzag. Buy stop can be placed behind the top of the first wave. A stop for this trade is below this low, in case the correction ended here. For Bitcoin, we are probably completing an upward movement. Perhaps that 42,000 mark will be the last targets in this growth, and after this we'll get a correction. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you on Monday.